This is Erin Manis in my response to the articles on universal design. I agree that for students with disabilities to have a fair education, universal design and the use of certain tools should be made available to bridge the learning gap. Although I believe this type of design and these specific tools are acceptable in most situations, I also have a couple of concerns regarding their implementation. First, in his article, Crow suggests not using tables in the design, layout, and formatting of text so as to benefit the visually impaired. However, I disagree with this idea. Features such as tables and charts are added so that the information may be read and understood more easily, especially for students who may benefit from the use of visuals like the English language learner. For this reason, it is neither right nor fair to withhold them completely. Instead, I believe a more reasonable and universal solution, which was offered by Crow, would be to add a descriptive caption or tag to the table or chart. Thus, the visually impaired students are better able to read the table or chart using the caption or tag, while the language-impaired students are better able to comprehend the text using the table or chart. Second, Martilla and Wald mentioned how some accommodations may benefit people with disabilities as well as general education students when used in the classroom. I both agree and disagree with this idea. I agree that if the tool is a necessary adjustment for all students, it should be used in the classroom. For example, the use of a voice amplification device in a large classroom is necessary for all students to be able to hear the teacher clearly and accurately. However, I disagree with its use when the task is something an able-bodied and able-minded person can do. For example, if a student is able to physically write and has the existing cognitive ability to take notes, certain interventions that would allow all of the students in the classroom to take notes using a voice recorder would be unnecessary and costly. Furthermore, it seems to me that allowing these accommodations to be used by the general education students would put them at an even greater advantage when the goal is to actually lessen the learning gap. Overall, I believe that the use of universal design is optimal for all learners. However, I believe that certain ideas necessitate consideration if the intent truly is universality.